Welcome on the HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how fix game not visible in Google Play Store in Vivo V23. In the first step we must go to the Play Store and try download something. It can be Teamfight Tactics, but we see that, but we can download it. To do that, we must go back to the main menu, tap in the right side on our photo, go to the setting, now family and pantry controls. Now we see that we have Peggy 3. We must change it to download Teamfight Tactics to Peggy 16. Understand? Save. And that's all. Now we can go back to the Teamfight Tactic games and we can download it. Thank you for watching, bye!